Alright, welcome back, class. Awesome. Today we're comparing three-digit numbers, and what I want you to do really quickly in your journal is to draw our two place value boxes right here. So we have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. Draw these two boxes. Draw our number sentences right here. Blank is greater than blank, and that's our greater than symbol. Blank is fewer than blank, and our fewer than symbol. Go ahead and do that. Pause the video, get this done, and then come back to me. Alright, so what we're doing today is comparing those three-digit numbers, right? So let's go ahead and look at this. I'm going to first compare 141, 131. I'm not going to decide how I'm going to compare it. We're just going to work it out. So as always, if we're working with numbers, 3 digits, 2 digits, 1, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and diagram them on our place value chart. So we've got 131 versus 141. Now if I'm looking at this, what I do first is start the biggest place value, the greatest place value, and compare. Well, they both have 1, so then I go to the next one. This one has 3 tens, this one has 4 tens. So I can stop right there and go ahead and say 141 is greater than 131. I can go ahead and stop there. But let's do a couple of activities together. When you have out your place value tables just like this, what I want you to do is to build those numbers. So 131, 131, 1 flat, 3 rods, 1 unit. The next one is going to be 1 flat, 4 rods, 1 unit. So looking right there, the flats are the same. So then I can go ahead and take the flats out of the equation. They're the same. And then I'm just going to compare. 1 rod, 1 rod, 1 rod. Oh, I see the difference. 141 has 1 extra 10, 1 extra rod, just like that. And so I can come over to the side and go ahead and fill out my place value table sentences. I can say, well, this is greater than. 141 is greater than symbol, 131. Or I can say 131 is fewer than symbol, than 141. This is what I did on my own. What we're going to do together is this next numeral, and again, I want you to go ahead and get your table set up. Draw your place value tables. And draw your number sentences. When you have those ready, come back to me. Alright, so we're back now, class. I'm going to give you two numbers, but based on pictorial representations of them. You're going to get the work done in them, and then we're going to check back together to see if you got it correct or if I got it correct. Or if we both got it correct together. So, here are our two numbers. We have a flat, we have some rods and some units, a flat, rods, and units. I want you to complete the hundreds tables, the hundreds, tens, and ones place value chart. I want you to complete this table over here also, and then I want you to go ahead and write the numerals right here. Just go ahead and do as much work about this as you can. Compare those two numbers. When you're ready, unpause this video and then come back and we're just going to work through comparison together. So again, this is the we do part. One more time. Complete this table, and just tell me what you can do and how you can compare. Unpause the video when you're ready. Alright, so now let me go ahead and work with you, okay? So let me go ahead and pick this first number. Well, I'm going to go ahead and diagram it, and I'm going to start from the smallest place value. I've got 1, 2, 3 units, 3 ones, 1, 2, 3 rods, and then 1 flat. So my numeral right there is 133. This next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 units, 1, 2, 3 rods, 1 flat. So that numeral is 134. Well, I can already go ahead and start making some comparisons about it, but let's talk about it. Let's compare. The hundreds, well, they both have 1, so skip that and go to the next one. The tens, they both have that, 3, skip and go to the next one. Now the ones is where we start to see a difference. This first numeral has 3 ones, the second one has 4 ones. Well, we know that 4 is greater than 3, so we can go ahead and say that 133 is less than 134. Or we can say that 134 is greater than 133. So your simple sentences over should read, blank is greater, so 134 is greater than 133. Or I can say 133 is fewer than 134. Did you get that one correct? If not, go back and check. If you did, pause this video, go back to your workbook, and we're going to finish our day off.